Hi, my name is Amber Fox. And today I'm going to be discussing the tissues of the body, which are important for visualizing and detecting any changes in cells or tissues. The body is composed of 200 different types of cells with various shapes and functions, and are categorized into 4 different categories. The first one I'm going to talk about is connective tissue, which is made up of cell fibers, which consist of collagen, which are kind of tough, which are fibrous. Connective tissue provides structure, it helps support our bodies, and it also helps like with transporting and binding. Connective tissue is broken down into loose connective tissue, which are found in blood vessels and in between and around organs. There's also adipose, which is body fat, which helps assist with insulating the body. And then we also have cartilage, and cartilage is found at the end of bones, our nose, and also our ears, the upper part of the ear. And another type of tissue is nervous tissue, and nervous tissue is broken down into 2 subcategories. Nervous tissue is responsible for communication, and that consists of neurons, which send and receive electrical signals throughout the body. And then we also have neuroglia, and glia in Greek means glue, and the glia support the neurons, and those are found in the brain and the spinal cord. And we also have muscle tissue, and muscle tissue allows for movements inside and the outside of the body. They also assist with producing heat. Muscle tissue is broken down into 3 subcategories. The first one is cardiac, so that's the heart. That type of tissue resembles stripes. That tissue is helps the heart to pump blood throughout the body. And we also have skeletal tissue, which are voluntary, and those are attached to bones and around the mouth and around the anus, so those cavities. And then we also have smooth muscle tissue. Those are involuntary, so that would be our GI tract. So they help food move throughout our body. Also in arteries, so that helps the blood flow throughout the body. And then the last category, we have the epithelium tissue, and we have 2 types. We have simple and we have stratified. Simple is a single layer, and stratified are composed of multiple layers. The epithelium protects, it helps with secretion, and it helps with absorption. Those are broken down into squamous. Squamous are like flat, single layer, resembling like a pancake, and those are found in lungs, blood vessels, and then cavities such as the mouth and the vagina. And then we have cuboidal, which are box-like or like cubes, and those are found in glands such as sweat glands or skin, and salivary glands, and also the lining of kidney tubules. And then we also have columnar, which is just as it sounds, like columns, and that's found in the digestive tract and in like the lining of fallopian tubes, as well as the inner urethra of, or the urethra of male and female. Thank you.